Hi everyone, so you can see we have customized this Ford Endeavour. We have painted this full car in black in paint booth. You can see the finish of the paint job done. You can see the reflection. We have also modified the headlights. We have installed powerful projectors in this. So you can see this. These are powerful projectors installed in the existing headlights. We have also painted the alloy wheels. And apart from the exterior paint job, we have customized the interior as well. So you can see this is not the standard interior of Ford Endeavour. We have customized the entire interior. Steering is also in genuine leather with wooden finish. In case you want to get any such job done, you can call Autorounders on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai, guys. Thank you for watching this video.